Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really fun fall winter lookbook. I feel so weird saying like winter lookbook already, but I mean it's like almost the holidays, it's almost Vlogmas. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below after you watch this video which outfit is your favorite, because I would love to know. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload. But let's just get right into the video. So much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just wanted to mention, because I did just download the TikTok app. This is so random. I don't know if you have TikTok. I'm not really sure, but I've been on it like crazy. It's so much fun. My TikTok handle is at Kelly_Prepster, just because Kellyprepster was taken. But if you guys want to add me over there, it's a lot of fun. I'm trying my best to create little TikToks and everything, and I just think it's a fun new platform. So if you want to check it out, I will have my TikTok linked down below along with all my other social media. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite, because I would love to know. And if you have any video requests, be sure to share them, because I love making content that you guys want to see. But thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.